Good afternoon, traders. Winston here, aka Mr. Mayor Forex Trading. Alright, so let's jump quickly straight into the markets for today. Now, I want you guys to have a good look at the Euro USD. Now, last week I spoke about this ranging market that the Euro is in. We had a nice trend line forming down. I had a good trade from here all the way to there, so which was a nice, what was it, a 63 pip trade that I took. It was quite a nice trade and I enjoyed that because I see it was working its way down to the support. So it jumped off. This was the Friday market. So if you look at the ranging market, here's the ranging market. It's between these two lines here and this support over here. So here's the resistance, here's the support. So Friday we saw a good spike to the upside right from the lows straight into that resistance, and we saw it stop there. Now Friday markets is very tricky. You can't go with Friday markets because there's a lot of less participants, so the market it's used to reacting a little bit violent sometimes on a Friday. But I also spoke on the video where I said maybe I'm going to try and see if it stays in the range. I'm going to see if I can take another ride down. I didn't jump into a trade because I was just waiting for some things to happen. So, and I did speak about if the market breaks to the upside, then I'm going to look for some buying opportunities, or if it breaks down below, I'm going to look for some selling opportunities below or above here. Now, I just wanted to say that yes, there might be some buying opportunities coming in the market for the Euro USD up into this zone over here. So I might take a buy opportunity. I am on the 4-hour chart at the moment, but what I'd like to do is I want to see the market play around here, but I want to see this support holding, because there is a trading strategy out there on the net where you can check, where people like to trade the fake outs. There's a lot of these breakouts. It looks like a breakout, but it's a fake out. So where you would now, as a normal trader, you buy there, as soon as it comes back, you'd have your stop loss right below there, and then look what happens here. Look what happened here as well. So it broke through this level of resistance, now was support. So a lot of people bought there or put their buy orders in there, their stop losses below there, and look what happened. A little fake out, but broke down and completely came back down. So you have to be careful for these little fake outs. Now, I know the market, they don't like to do the same trick twice because people get clever. So there already was the fake out, which makes me think this is a proper breakout. The support looks like it's holding nicely. So I'm going to see if I can see some more movement in the market. I'm going to hang on for this one, but I am thinking of taking a buy in this one up to the 1.107 area. So I'm going to go down to the lower time frames and see if I can look for a buy. I just want to jump quickly to the Euro Yen as well while we're on this. Now, the Euro Yen, yesterday or last week's video as well, you guys can go back on my videos, we also said that this is an interesting zone where I am going to look for a buy on the Euro Yen. So you do see that there was resistance turn support, there is resistance turn support, there is resistance, and it broke through. So the market could come back to do a shallow pullback, a deeper retracement, or a very deep retracement. Either one of these three areas looks very inviting for me as a bull to jump into this trade. So I'm going to wait for the market to come down. This might only happen next week, but I have got patience to wait and see where it goes to. The US yen, exactly the same is happening to the US yen. So we do see between the 38 and the 61 is very interesting zones. It was user support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Now the zone here, I have marked it off here in between the 38 and the 50. This is where I'm going to start focusing. As soon as I see price action comes down to this zone over here, I'm going to start paying attention to this. I'm going to go down to the lower time frames, the 1 hour, the 15 minutes, and then look for some trading opportunities for a buying market. So I first want to see price action go into this zone over here before I will actually consider taking a buy opportunity on this. So yeah, this is my forecast for the week. We had some nice US 30 movement, but that's also because of the yen not performing very well. So that's why we do see this spike to the upside. You will see if the dollar goes down, you do see these rapid spikes. Now, the US 30, I'm going to start looking at some US 30 trades as well. And that will probably be in the next couple of weeks. I will start posting some US 30 trades as well that I'm also looking at. US trades that I took, and we'll start working on that. From my side, please enjoy the rest of the week. I think next week is going to be a good trading week, because all these that I'm looking at now is lining up to go into some very, very interesting zones. I just have to wait for it and then see what happens. From my side, once you could see it, please remember to share and like this video, and to go and join the Facebook page as well. It's called the Forex Hangout on Facebook. Post your trades. It's an open platform. Post your trades. Post your working trades, your not so lacquer working trades, and we can see if we can figure it out why your trades didn't work out. From my side, once you could see it, aka Mr. Mayor Forex Trading, have a great week. Cheers.